Hello all. Hello all. Welcome to Dr. GV lecture series. So I'm Dr. Yuvraj from AP Mechanical, SNS College of Technology, and today I'm going to discuss about the business model canvas. It is about the Tesla. Okay. So here we know that Tesla is a leading manufacturer of electric vehicle, and in that way we are going to see how their business has been expanded in the electrical vehicle manufacturing network. In other words, who are their major key partners, and what are the key activities has been involved in the Tesla manufacturing, and along with that what are the key resources which has been done in the Tesla, and what is the value proportions, customer relationship, customer segments and channels, cost structure, revenue streams. So based upon that we can able to give the detailed description about business model canvas. So the first thing, it is about the major key partners of Tesla is OEM alliances, and the majority of the components has been manufactured and purchased from the Toyota, and based upon that the car leasing company, they use it to make it for the manufacturing, because initially they done the car leasing company, and based upon the suppliers they are expanding their network. And Dana Holding, Panasonic, government, the major key partners of Tesla, these are the first foremost key partners which they come. And following that, the key activities has been done in the Tesla. It is about the R&D, design, innovation leap, software development, sales and marketing, and buildings and maintenance of charging station networks. So accordingly they have expanded their activities. So majorly they use it to research about the materials usage which has been done for battery manufacturing and the cooling system, because in this engine we know that compared to ICE engine there is no major components other than the motor and the battery system. So only these components which has to be maintained at the constant temperature if it is riding for the long ride, and the battery system shouldn't getting affected because of the long ride, or and also their lifespan, it shouldn't be getting low. So accordingly we have to done the research in choosing the selecting the material for improving the battery life. So that is a major thing, and the innovation leap was still going on, and also it has done the software development and sales and marketing person, and it can able to maintain the key resources like electric vehicle and technological knowledge, inverter, battery system, effective cooling, automation and engineering. So based upon the key resources they expand their manufacturing system. So these are the major key resources for the Tesla. And if we speak about the value proportions, it is in best in class when since it is a fully electric vehicles, and this vehicle manufacturing is majorly based on the hybrid system, and it is used for an advanced electrical vehicle technology which has been implemented in the Tesla. And they are also trying for the solar energy systems for regenerating the energy or recalling the energy to the battery. So accordingly they have planned to develop their system. And customer relationship, the customer service experience is very good, and it is a brand and having a good reputation, and it has the free low cost charging station network which is easily accessible for any kind of persons. Okay, and the major channels which has been done by through the retail stores and self-service online store, there is a website, and conference in the sales events. Based upon that they are trying to do the marketing for their products. And in customer segments, since they are giving the more importance to the customer segments like high-end luxury like sedan or SUV, and the price range is starting from the mid-range, and also the commercial vehicles targeted towards the transportation and the shipping businesses. and since it is a green community manufacturing and the fast sports car enthusiast and Tesla followers, some of them are maybe an Elon Musk followers. Okay, their cost structure, it is entirely about the cost of material, and labor and manufacturing overhead is very less, and the restructuring cost they have to consider, and the interest expense, taxes and others which has been taken into the consideration, and other than this the research and development cost which has been maintained, either it may be a low or it is in leading thing. Okay, and the revenue streams is done either by automotive segment revenue or else energy generation and storage segment. So accordingly they have to develop their system. So with this I am going to wind up this session. Thank you so much.